What's up, everyone? It's your boy Travis here, and welcome back to the Altcoin Travis 19 channel. Hope everybody's having a fantastic day so far. This is where you subscribe for Bitcoin and altcoin videos, Bitcoin and altcoin price updates and reactions, and occasionally stock news. Now let's get into today's juicy topic. Bitcoin has set a new all-time high, breaking above $60,000. We reached as high as $60,314. It was amazing. Literally, I was sleeping and I woke up to this new all-time high. I rolled over, checked my phone, and I saw it, and oh my gosh, such euphoria. I was so excited. I literally had gone to sleep about 12:40 a.m. And so I don't even know how I managed to wake up, but it was like 4:30 in the morning. I had only been asleep, for, little over 3 to 4 hours. And, to have that happen, I mean, wow, just this is amazing. And right now, in the short term, I think we're going to see, likely another huge leg up later today. So we could see prices of maybe, I mean, this is again just my opinion, but we'll see what the price is going to do. But Bitcoin moves when we hit new price discovery, like where we are now. We could be hitting prices of 65,000, and we could see 70,000 very quickly here. And now $100,000 Bitcoin doesn't sound so crazy. Like, some people, used to think that sounded crazy. I mean, and, right now, what an amazing bull run it has been so far. And we still got, 4 months or so to go left in this bull market, likely. And, man, this is going to be so amazing to see what Bitcoin does. And, I think right now, looking at a $300,000 Bitcoin now in this bull cycle, that might be seen as maybe a conservative price target, because one of the things we have to factor in is that with these big institutions now coming in and all these, big companies from the S&P 500, the top 500 companies, which it tracks, when they start realizing that with their cash reserves, they're losing, like 20% due to inflation from, the infinity money supply, with the money printer go butter. With that, keep on running that printer. I'm telling you, that is not good for fiat currencies. All fiat currencies go to zero. Now, that is my opinion. Please do your research on the history. Study the history of fiat currencies. Look at the history of money. Because right now we are watching the digital revolution take place. And so, with these institutions coming in, putting Bitcoin on their treasuries, we could see prices of, potentially 500,000 in this bull cycle, topping out at, say, maybe August, September, roughly around there. And we will see. So, I would definitely have to say 500,000, in my opinion, is on the table now, because, we saw Tesla now come in. If we see, say, Google, Apple, Microsoft, these other big companies that have tons of money coming in. I mean, you think of all the capital in the world, there is not a better investment right now that is outperforming what Bitcoin is doing, except maybe, of course, some altcoins that, of course, haven't they haven't gone up and, an insane amount of value. Because if we look at, say, Ethereum's performance, I believe in the last year, Ethereum, I believe, has outperformed Bitcoin and some other smaller altcoins. So, when we're looking at altcoins and those opportunities, in my opinion, I think those are big opportunities to, be able to accumulate more Bitcoin in the long term. So altcoins, you can make some nice money, and then you can take that profit money and, of course, be able to acquire more Bitcoin for the long term. As I think, of course, that is obviously all of our goals. Is to stack as much Bitcoin as possible, the most scarce asset of on the planet, and just 21 million Bitcoin. So what a time right now. Congratulations to all the Bitcoin hodlers out there. Now, I am not planning to sell any of my Bitcoin right now. I am hodling for the long term, and I will even go out and say that I am not selling at all in this bull cycle. But that is just me, because for me, I am holding my Bitcoin for the long term. And I think, if you have a excuse me, if you have a long-term time horizon of say 5 or more years out, there's a good chance that if you buy into Bitcoin, dollar cost averaging, which is what I do, and I recommend to all of you out there looking to get into Bitcoin, put, $10 a week or $20 a week, dollar cost average, so that you're getting the average cost as Bitcoin appreciates in price. And again, with these bull cycles in a 5-year time frame, you're more than assured to be profitable and be up quite a substantial amount of money. And so yeah, that is what I would recommend. Now I do believe that if I had say been a whale or someone that had quite a bit of Bitcoin, then yeah, I think that taking profits somewhere, of course you can't predict the top of the bull cycle, but if we again see prices, which I believe we will see 300,000 or so and above, taking profits would be a good idea. But for someone like me that up to this point I have not stacked a full Bitcoin yet, I don't want to be selling any of my Bitcoin. And you can never know what's going to happen in the long term, if we're going to run out of Bitcoin or if there's going to be a supply shortage. Because right now, if you're selling your Bitcoin, there's a billionaire waiting on the other side, waiting to buy it from you. And I don't want to be selling what small amount of Bitcoin I do have at say $300,000. I want to be holding that for the next 5 to 10 years, where I can sell and know that I'm taking a profit of, say, when Bitcoin hits 1 million or potentially 5 to 10 million. So yeah, I would say for me, I'm probably not likely to take any profits, but this is just me personally. So yeah, I recommend all of you out there to have a strategy in mind, to know, if you're holding, for how long you're going to hold. And I would recommend holding for as long as possible, because yeah, I do believe that, what a small amount of Bitcoin could potentially, be life-changing wealth in the future. But I will say that with my altcoins and also with Ethereum, I will be taking profits somewhere along the end of this bull cycle, and I will be putting out videos to all of you out there when I take profits in all of my altcoins. And yeah, that way I can try to help all of you out as best as possible through sharing my experience and what I'm doing. Because yeah, we don't want to be caught in that situation in altcoins where again, in the last bull cycle, where Bitcoin and altcoins retraced minus 90, minus 95% or so. And you don't want to be holding, say, going from having thousands of dollars made or potentially millions, and losing all of that wealth because we go into the bear market and you never took profits. So yeah, I think that is very important to take profits. And right now I'm looking at probably middle of July is what I'm kind of looking at for myself. And because I think the bull cycle is likely to end, I think August or September roughly. And that is, I think, when you look at, from previous cycles, and you look at the months after the halving. So as we know, the last Bitcoin halving was May of 2020. And so, so many months after the halving, that would be, I believe, about 16 to 18 months after the halving is when you would see, the Bitcoin top, which would be for this bull cycle. And so that being said, thank you so much, everyone, for checking out the video. And if you enjoyed this video and made it all the way through to the end of this video, please smash up that like button. I really appreciate, excuse me, I really appreciate all your support, everyone. It really means the world to me. You have been such a supportive community. Thank you so much. We hit a new milestone. We are now up to 339 subscribers. This is the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's see, in this bull market, we can take us up to 1,000 and on the rocket ship to the moon. So I want to say thank you, everyone, for the support. Having just started my channel, and this is definitely been an idea for a long time, and I'm just so happy to finally be putting these videos out, and I'm so happy to see the positive feedback. I mean, you guys are giving me the energy to do these videos, and I cannot thank you enough. Without you and without the support that you have brought for me, yeah, I would not be doing these videos or wake up with these ideas. Yeah, like right now, wake up and see Bitcoin above 60,000, so I'm so happy to share my thoughts. And yeah, I appreciate everyone. And let me know if you would like down below in the comment section. Would love to hear your thoughts and reactions, some of your stories. Where were you when Bitcoin broke 60,000? Did you watch it live? Were you sleeping like I was? And did you have the biggest smile on your face when you woke up? Would love to hear from all of you out there. Appreciate all the comments. Thank you again, everyone. And as always, we'll see you all next time here on the Altcoin Travis 19 channel. Have a fantastic rest of your day, everyone. Take care and strive for greatness. We'll see you later. Let's go, Bitcoin! Rocket ship to the moon! We go. Peace out, everyone.